Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a trusted contact into your Coinbase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a trusted contact into your Coinbase account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you get locked out of your Coinbase account, or to help secure your account, you can add a trusted contact that Coinbase can verify. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a trusted contact, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on Manage Account. It's in blue. Once you click there, you're going to see these 5 options on the left, and you want to click on Security. Once you click there, you're going to see these 4 options at the top, and you want to click on Two-Step Verification. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see this line right here, Available Methods. Once you click there, you're going to scroll down until you see Trusted Contacts. Off to the right, you want to click on Setup. All right, once you do that, Coinbase is going to ask, are you sure you want to set up trusted contacts? They say you can invite a team of trusted people to help approve sensitive actions and keep your account safe. All approvals are required within an hour. If so, click on. Okay, next this pops up. It says only invite people you trust. They warn you need to remember who are the trusted contacts. However, you will be able to see their emails in a masked format like this. Also, your trusted contacts have 48 hours to accept the invitations and also approve any actions that you're requesting in the future. If so, click on I'm ready. Okay, after you do that, you're going to enter in the email addresses for your trusted contacts. They do require you add at least 2 trusted contacts. You can add more by clicking right here, Add Trusted Contact. After that, you want to click on Send Invitation. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a trusted contact into your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.